if someone wants to be notified that the stock price is below a certain level, one can create a watch list record with a certain stock, like for example this one, and you can specify a target price. Let's say the target price is 1, 2, 3, and current price is above, so in this case you will not get notification. You also need to enable notification like so. You could do it manually, but manually it's only works for stocks you're interested in, but you don't often know which stocks you're interested in. So what if you go through all the stocks and detect some that fell a lot recently, and set watches automatically for those stocks that they fall even more, like 20% more than currently, and then you want to be notified and decide if you want to buy it. So that's what we'll write today. So we'll start with actual command to notify. Let's call this lesson 8, and the command to create a notification is called add alert. So we'll just test it, run, and you got your alert pop up. So that's how it works. Now, first of all, we will learn how to add a watch. To do that, we use similar solution to adding transactions, because watch is just transaction of type 0. So I already have code for adding a watch here. So set transaction value type 0, set transaction value string ticker, and ticker will be our input parameter. So we'll have ticker as an input parameter and put input parameter here. Set transaction value, this will be another input parameter, target price. So there are two input parameters. We don't want the node, we don't need that. Then we will just, we definitely don't need any of this, so let's just skip all this. And we need to save the watch. So this is a function. We'll not just run it, because if you just click run, the input parameters will not be specified. Also, to specify what parameters this function expects, you need to add comment like this. It's exactly the same name as input parameters, and save. Now if you go to lesson 8, you can see hints, ticker, and target price. So you can input these parameters here. So just to check, our watch list currently has only this one manually edit command. So let's add another watch list for Microsoft. This target price, I don't know, 200, and you can click run. Alright, it says here that input parameters were passed. Let's see if it added the watch, and we do have a new watch here. So that's how you can add it, and this is the functions that you need to call. But now we want to create a new script. Let's call it lesson 8.1, and we'll include the source code from the previous script. You do it using the word require, and it expects category script name as an input. So let's see what category, my tests, and then lesson 8. Tests lesson 8, my test lesson. Okay, that's correct. Let's also rename the function here to like add watch, save. Let's test by calling this add watch function from this new script. For another stock. And target price and 44. Save, run. Okay, let's test if it worked. And it did, so we got one more watch added. So now we are ready to write a for loop. So let's do the for loop. We'll go again through all the stocks. So if you remember, we wanted to add the watches automatically for stocks that dropped recently a lot. So we can do it by getting price for this each of these stickers today and let's say 7 days ago. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And we'll get the price for, like I said, 7 days ago. And we'll calculate percentage drop. So we assume that, so let's put some, actually let's first calculate the drop. So we assume that today's price is less than yesterday's. So this minus that. And the percentage will be drop divided by the base price. Sorry, price 7 days ago. And what we'll do is put an if statement here. If percent drop is more than 30%, then we are interested in this stock. We also want to check that both prices are non-zero, just to avoid garbage data. Okay, now we will calculate the target price for the watch. So target price will be even lower than today's price. Let's say it will be another 20% drop or something similar to that. That's it. So pretty much we're ready and all set. Let's run it. and we got our watches added automatically. Imagine adding that manually. That would not be easy. That's how easily you can add all the watches. Then you can enable the alarms like so, and next time it will all, like next day, you'll get the notifications. We could have used add alarm command here as well, but I decided to just add watches like so. That's it for today. Thank you.